of all times of year, we don't want people to get hurt during Thanksgiving or Christmas, but more people are out on the highways, more people are out in public places walking around, and there are certain ways that you can be injured and things we ought to be alert about.
Parking lots are just absolutely mad.
Good luck there. Yeah.
You know, you have stores. If you start looking around at just the merchandise on the shelves, I mean, it's really an effort to keep it organized.
Aisles are more crowded.
Merchandise is falling off, hitting people. I mean, there's just a lot of people in the store. I mean, it is hectic. If you can use Amazon, Mike, I would highly recommend giving Amazon a look, because it keeps you out of that traffic. But you know, if you do get injured in a store, okay, I'm not saying you automatically have a case, and we view those cases very closely. We scrutinize them heavily because they're not the easiest cases in the world. But there are some options there. I'll give you an example, Mike. I was reading in the last couple weeks a decision from the Alabama Supreme Court where merchandise fell off of a shelf at Walmart, and a lawyer like myself was interested in knowing, well, how many times has this occurred in Walmarts in Alabama over the last 5 years? Because the whole point is to say, hey, look, does the company know that this can happen? What steps are being taken to prevent it? And actually, you can have a serious injury as a result.
Sure.
Alabama Supreme Court said, yes, absolutely. Walmart's got a way to track that. 5 years is a reasonable period of time. Let's see, of all the Walmarts in Alabama, how many times this has happened. That is a game changer in terms of handling a case. The more you can show, Mike, the defendant has knowledge, the better off that you can show, look, this is not just an accident. This was a foreseeable event.
We're not talking about, in some of the big box stores, we're not talking about a box of Ritz crackers falling off and hitting you on the shoulder. There's some things that weigh hundreds and hundreds of pounds, if not stored properly, could be a real danger and even a deadly danger to people.
Sure. I mean, and especially for young children. You know, if something falls 6-7 feet off up in the air, hits them on the head, I mean, it can be serious.